What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to get Pocket Option on iPhone. So you might be wondering how to exactly get or download a Pocket Option here on your iPhone device. Well, in this case, this one is actually a lot easier because we are referring to the official, this case, article released by Pocket Option. Now the thing with Pocket Option here, in order for you to download this, you need to first visit their actual official website. Now this is directly from their article here. So typically speaking, once you go to Pocket Option, you should see a banner at the very top here that says install. So you just need to click on it, in which in this case it will start the download process, and you can just basically install this in your mobile device or your iPhone here, which in this case you should be able to start using Pocket Option as an app in your mobile device. But just in case this does not appear for you, what you could do is you want to go to the top left here, which is the menu icon, and from then on it should give you this pop-up here, which in this case you should be able to see the iOS web app in here, and once you click on it, this will actually download the app into your phone. Now, the UI itself might be different for you depending on your device, but speaking, either iOS web app here or this big icon in here. So you go ahead and just select that, and that should be downloaded into your mobile device. But yeah, so this one is actually pretty easy. The great thing about this one is they actually have a official article that we could refer to, but in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.